Hello everyone, Amardeep from Mumbai. Yesterday in Shubhvardan.com, I had done the exercise of niche clarity and it was very marvelous and it was very tremendous. I had never seen, I have never seen such a thing in my life. It opened my eyes so broadly that I had a clear picture of my goal and my achievements and the things what I could do in the future. I am really thankful to Naveen Shaw sir and Vardhan madam for my niche clarity. I appeal to all those people who are really interested in this field to join shubhavrdhan.com and make their achievements fulfill as early as possible. Best of luck to each and everyone. Thank you Naveen sir and Vardhan madam. Thank you very much.